What's up, guys? It's Untamed Mustang coming at you. How are we doing today? Well, I'm just outside. I was gonna see what the dogs were up to, and I see this little guy. Where'd you come from, dude? Where did you come from? Can you get back in there? Can you get back in there? I'm sorry for the weird camera angles. But I don't know if he's gonna do okay in there. Hopefully that's where he's coming from. I don't know where else his nest would be. That's the only place that I see a nest that's right below the water dish. He must have fallen straight from there, straight down into the water dish there. I'm just gonna leave him. Hopefully he calms down and just relaxes. Well, this is Untamed Mustang coming at you. This is this weird short video. Alright, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you liked it. Peace.